Hi guys, my name is Ain. In this video, I'm gonna share the simple steps if you want to flip your cabinet or your wardrobe. Okay, so firstly we need to go to our room, okay, and I will just pick and drop any of the wardrobe that I have already add to the save category. Okay, after you already group your cabinet or your wardrobe, okay, you can add to this save category over here. Click on save, and I will just use the latest one. Okay, I use this one, just drag and drop to this corner. Okay, and now I'm gonna flip this whole wardrobe, okay, to this side. Okay, I'm gonna make it facing to this wall. Alright, so you just right click and then you scroll down to this cabinet mirror. Okay, we only have for horizontal flip, we don't have for the vertical flip. Okay, and then you click on the horizontal flip, and by one click it will flip your camera, or you will rotate to the side. Okay, so the step is click on your wardrobe, or for the whole wardrobe, right click, and then you click on the cabinet mirror. Okay, click on horizontal flip, so it will flip your whole wardrobe. Okay, but remember, it's only applicable to a group set, so you need to group your wardrobe or your cabinet first, only then you can use this function. Okay, so happy trying guys, bye bye.